Hello, I am Mrs. Cavazos doing a quick tutorial on bass on Hot Cross Buns. Super easy song that uses 3 notes. So when you set up your bass, you want to make sure that you are having your hand nice and round, like if you're holding a bottle of water or a big cup of some delicious kind of something you like to drink. And so I put different colored stickers on here, different colored tape, so that it's easy to differentiate between the notes. Hopefully you could see it better as well, and so we'll continue and I'll refer to these a little bit. So we have our open D string, first finger E, F sharp. We are going to come down and use all 4 fingers to push that F sharp down. Remember, you want to keep your hand rounded the entire time, not flat like this, not your thumb squeezing like this. No one drinks water with a little T-Rex arms or makes a little hand puppet. We are keeping everything nice and round so we don't lose any kind of force. So we're playing F sharp, E, D, all 4 down, F sharp, E, D. D, 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 E, 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 F sharp, E, D. If you're finding that it's buzzing or like thudding, make sure that your fingers are all the way down to the fingerboard. So if I'm not pushing down all the way, it's going to thud. Once I start applying more pressure, then you'll actually hear that sound come out. But remember, it's not coming from squeezing your thumb this way. Your thumb stays nice and round and relaxed the whole time. So try it again. F sharp, E, D, F sharp, E, D, 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 E, 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 F sharp, E, D. Once you get that song down, you'll be able to play that. Play along there, jam out with it. See different genres. Practice with it. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, just let me know. Like, subscribe, all that wonderful good stuff. And hope you have a wonderful day and have happy practicing.